Hi, Haley. Let's go ahead and go through the ones you had incorrect. So let's go ahead and start with number one. The code that you had was R53.83. One thing to keep in mind that this is fatigue, and I state right here, it's the admitting diagnosis. It is not the principal diagnosis. So we needed to really code the aplastic anemia, which is the D61.3 for that one. Okay, so the next one you had is the procedure one. So let's go ahead and go to procedures. Couple of things. So the first two are the same, and that's for the transplant of the blood, for the transfusion, I should say. So let's go ahead and look at that second one. So 0, 3, 2, and then we have 3, 3. Okay, so the thing here we have to, we already coded for the blood. We need to go ahead and code for this time for the platelets. So that's why it's going to be R. So again, not a big mistake, but enough to cost you a point. And then let's go to the very last one. Go back to diagnoses. And we have E04.2 is the correct answer. This is the non-toxic multinodular goiter, and you just coded unspecified. So keep in mind, we do know it's multinodular. If you look at the documentation, right there, multinodular. So instead of unspecified, you should have coded the E04.2. If you have any questions on this video or questions that you had anything else incorrect, oh, let's go with this one. Sorry about that. We have, should be H950.5, and that's unspecified sensorineural hearing loss. Okay, and right here is exactly what it states, completely out. Let's just go ahead and type in to see what you had. 91.90. I guess the biggest thing here, you're just coding plain hearing loss, and we really need to be specific here and make sure that we code out as far as we can go to get the complete diagnosis. So that's why we want the sensorineural hearing loss. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.